Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for joining me on this fine, rainy, but fine Saturday. Yeah, it's, pretty relaxing today, I would say. I just started raining like an hour ago, and, just been relaxing the whole day. But yeah, we're going to be doing a review of some sorts, I would say. So, hold on, let me get the thing. It's right here. We're going to be reviewing chocolate chips, but not just any chocolate chips, like literal chocolate potato chips, and it's like Japanese chocolate chips, which is kind of strange, but, they're cool. So we're gonna try them out and see how they taste. So, my mom actually got this from her friend at her work. So it says blah 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 blah. Please try these Japanese chocolate covered chips from my mom's friend. Take that off. And so when you look at the box, it doesn't really strike me as something that would be Japanese. The only thing is it says under the original part right there, it says like some Japanese writing. And that's really the only thing. And it has like Japanese writing on the bottom too, which honestly no one really looks at. But the cool thing is actually they read their date like from boom boom boom, which is they go from the middle to this part, and I think that's really cool because it says they expire on November 7th, 2019. So I would say that's pretty soon, right? Halloween's coming up. So yeah. The box kind of looks American, but you never know. They might taste really good. So let's try to open them. Yeah. The box doesn't really strike me as something that would be Japanese, but oh, never mind. On the inside, it says some Japanese writing. This is Japanese, right? Yeah. I thought it might have been Mandarin, but I don't know. Okay, so now we have a bag. Now it's very glossy. Wow. Very, very glossy. And it has like a bunch of R's that are in squares all around the bag. And it says Royce's Potato Chip Chocolate Original. So, you know what? Let's just open these up, I would say. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Dude, they literally look like Lay's that are covered in chocolate. Look at this. What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, should we try them? Okay, ready? Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Okay. Hold on. So, at first, I tasted Lay's, right? Oh, jeez. So first I tasted Lay's. Then I tasted the chocolate and the Lay, which tastes amazing. Then I just tasted the chocolate. And now I just taste the Lay again. But it tastes, it actually tastes alright. I don't know why I was making that strange face. But they taste actually pretty good. but I don't really understand. It's not really a combination that you would think would go well. Like you wouldn't really think that, oh, potato chips. I like chocolate with my potato chips. No one would really think that. Unless you do, hey, comment down below if you like chocolate with your potato chips. But yeah. They kind of just like look like this. And then they only really cover one side, which is, you know, I kind of expected them to do the whole side, but you know, it's a Japanese company. They're probably going to get their money for it anyways. Yeah. So, back to what I said about the Lay's. You don't really taste them anymore. Like, after after the first two, you taste them, and then you only really taste chocolate, which I guess is what you want. Like, you want the crunch of the Lay, and then you want the chocolate, and not the Lay, and then a weird texture of chocolate. But I actually really like this. So, out of let's see, what should we do it out of 10? Out of 10 chocolate chips, of regular chocolate chips, I give them an 8, because it really just doesn't strike me as something that people would want to eat. Like, it would be good, like, it tastes good, it just doesn't really seem like something that someone would want to eat. Like, it just, I don't know. Like, if they said just chocolate space chips instead of Royce's potato chip chocolate, like, I don't know. But hey, I gave it an 8 out of 10. It tastes pretty good. If we were in school, that would be an 80%, so they would get a B on their math test. But yeah, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe. I'm probably going to post another video today, maybe. But if not, I'll do it tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah. And also, I'm making a song, guys. I'm making a song. I have everything. I just need to write down the lyrics one more time and sing it and all that stuff. And yeah. And that'll be the 100 subscriber special that you guys have been waiting for. But yeah. I'm just gonna keep on eating these. Look at this one. Wow. See you guys in the next video. Bye.